Hello everyone, and welcome to Ray Darnell Dining In. I'm Ray Darnell. My series focuses on the preparation of sophisticated, yet relatively easy to prepare dishes that you can use for your family, or you can combine them together to form a dinner party plan. In the extras chapter at the end of this video, as in all others, you'll find a list of ingredients and also a list of suggestions for other dishes in the series that you can combine with this one. So, what do I have for you today? Well, let's just see, shall we? Okay. Peaches Cardinal. This dessert is as delicious as it is simple. To prepare this, you'll require one ripe peach for each person. So here I'm making this for 4 people, and accordingly I'm using 4 large ripe peaches, 3½ cups of raspberries, which is about 12 ounces, and 4 teaspoons of confectioner's sugar, plus a little extra for dusting later. Place the peaches in a bowl and pour boiling water over them. So we're going to leave the peaches in here for about a minute, just to soak. After a minute, remove the peaches from the bowl of water. So with a sharp knife, just to assist, we peel the skin from each of the peaches. Having let the peaches cool a little bit, I'm now going to halve each of them and remove the pit. Just removing the pit now, having halved the peach, just slides out like that. Then having halved and pitted them, just cut each of these into 2 sections so that when we come to put them in the glass for serving at the end, it's much easier to fit. Now turning to the preparation of the raspberry puree. I'm putting the raspberries into my food processor, and you can also use a blender. I'm going to start by pulsing for a few times, and then let the blender run at full power for about 20 seconds. We have our puree of raspberries, but you'll notice there's a lot of seeds in there, which obviously are on the outside of each raspberry. So I'm going to remove those so we have a very smooth sauce, raspberry sauce. We'll separate the seeds from the juice of the raspberries by working it for a little while over this bowl in this sieve. I've separated the seeds, and I'm left with this juice, and I'm going to sift in most of this confectioner's sugar. Use the same spoon. Sometimes with confectioner's sugar you get little lumps, although it's supposed to resist that, but just to make sure that it all goes in very smoothly. And we just stir this together like that until we have a smooth mixture. To serve, I'm going to place the 4 sections of each peach in a glass, and we're going to spoon over some of this sweetened juice like that, and to finish, just sprinkle a little bit of this up like that. If you want, you can now pause to make a screenshot of an ingredients list. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that and you find it very useful. If you did, please press the subscribe button. If you want notifications, of course, of new videos that I'm posting, please press the notifications button also. I hope to see you next time.